How to find your own phone number on an Android phone. If you've forgotten your number or just want to check it, this is the quickest way to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap About Device or About Phone, depending on your Android version. Now tap Status or SIM card status if you see the option. Here, you may find your phone number listed along with your SIM information. If your phone number doesn't appear, go back and tap Mobile Network or SIM card and mobile data. Some Android phones display the number in the SIM settings instead. You can also call or send a message to another phone to see the number displayed, or contact your mobile carrier if your SIM card doesn't store the number. And that's it. That's how you can quickly find your own phone number on an Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.